Hi all. In this video we will check some of the debugging tools. So we have the circular process here. So now I will first create a separate page other than this main page for this process. So to create a page I have a tool here, page. So I will drag and drop this. So it is asking two options now, add new page and create a reference to it, or add new page without creating a reference to it. So there is two options to create a page. First one is drag and dropping this from the toolbar, and the next one is going next to the main page and right click on the tab and select new page. So again it will ask for a new page and we have to give the page default page name. So I am keeping it as the default page name, page 1. So now a separate page is created. So the advantages of different pages are, in a real case scenario the process will be very large. So we can keep these pages very short, the main page very simple. So I can move this logic to the next page. So to do that I am selecting the whole logic from the main process, and I can right click and uh, copy this from here. I am pasting it here, and in between start and end node I am going to link this, and in the main page I can create a reference to that page. So I am opting the first option here, create reference to an existing page, and I have to provide the page name. So for the reference, so I am giving the page name page 1 and clicking on finish. I have to connect this start and end node with the page, so it's completed. So the process now will start from the start node, and upon reaching to page 1 it will enter to the page 1 and will process the logic from here and will come back to the end node. So I will run this process. So after reaching page 1 it came to the page 1 inside to page 1 and it is processing it there, and after completion it will go to the main page. It came to be main page and the process is complete now. Now we can check two different debugging tools. First one is set next stage. So the advantage of set next stage is, like, I don't want to run a particular stage. So suppose I don't want to run this addition stage. I want to start the process from here. So I can click the decision stage and select next stage. So the process will be now starting from here. So we got an error, end of subsheet without corresponding to start. So I will restart it, the enter process, and we'll set select next stage in, and we'll start the process. Now it has started the process from this stage. So set next stage is used to skip a specific stages. So the next one is breakpoint. So I don't want to process this page 1 alone, and I don't want to go to main page. So to do that I can select the end stage and select the breakpoint. So the color of this end stage has been changed to with a red border line. So I can start the process in this page, and it came to the from the start stage, and after completing this process it will come to the end stage and will post there. So it will not go again to the main page. See, it came to end stage in the page 1 and it is showing a breakpoint was reached. So this is useful to test some of these stages alone in the blueprism. So to proceed further I can close this and click on set next stage. So next option available is run to this stage. So I have to select a stage, and when I click on run to this stage, it will start the process automatically and will run to the selected stage only. So it will stop in the. So in this video we have been familiar with creating a page and adding a reference to that page, and we have been uh, f- checking with the breakpoint, set next stage, and run to this stage options. Thank you.